Buying property in another country sounds complicated until someone walks you through it, step by step. That's what the Guides Hub is, the complete off-plan playbook, written specifically for overseas investors. Let me show you what it covers. Here's what I've learned talking to overseas buyers. Most don't fear the market, they fear the process. Unfamiliar contracts, unfamiliar regulators, another country's paperwork, and that fear pushes people into the arms of whoever sounds most confident. The antidote is simple. Know every step before you take the first one. The whole journey is 7 stages. You express interest. You select your unit. You sign the sale and purchase agreement. Your contract gets registered. That's the Oqood. You follow the payment plan through construction. You inspect the finished unit. That's snagging. And then handover, keys in hand. Each stage has its own guide, with the documents, the deadlines and the pitfalls. Rule 1 of budgeting. The price is not the cost. There are transfer fees, registration and admin costs, and once you own, service charges every year. Our guides break down the full picture and compare payment plans honestly. Construction linked versus post handover, with the trade-offs of each. Can non-residents finance Dubai property? Yes. And the guides give you the honest version. How off-plan financing works, when financing typically becomes available, and what documentation banks usually require. There's an NRI documentation checklist, income proof, KYC, remittance trail, and a clear-eyed look at cash versus mortgage. Something that surprises many overseas buyers. How much of this can be done from your sofa? You can browse projects, compare units and reserve your pick online, and payments are made securely from abroad, straight into the regulated escrow account. The guides walk you through it and tell you honestly when visiting in person is actually worth it. And the last mile matters. Snagging, your inspection before final payment, is one of the most important moments in the whole journey. Your opportunity to inspect carefully, document defects, and make sure issues are formally recorded. The handover guide gives you a room-by-room checklist, explains what developers must fix and for how long, and then hands you the landlord playbook. Utilities, leasing, management. Every guide on the site exists for one reason, so that this day, keys in hand, goes exactly right. Know every step, then take the first. The complete buying, financing, and handover playbooks are free in the Guides Hub at offplanwise.com.